Okay friends, this is my Redmi phone, and when I just tap to unlock it, you see there are ad comings in this mobile phone. So I don't want this ad. So how to remove these ads? Okay, so first of all I will just unlock my mobile phone. You see again there is ad, so we'll just unlock it first. Okay, and after we are done with this, you see there is again ads. So what we'll do, we'll just go to settings and we'll find here lock screen. Okay, so this is our lock screen. Once we go in our lock screen, we'll find this wallpaper carousel something type. Okay, we'll just click here and we'll just simply turn it off. Turn off. Okay, so once we successfully turn it off, now the ads that were coming in the lock screen, you see I have just locked my mobile phone, and when I turn it off, you see it is looking fresh and there is no ads running here in the lock screen. So friends, if you are also facing the same problem in your Redmi mobile phone while you are just lock screen and off, and you get a lot of ad and you are irritated with this, फॉलोइंग द सेम प्रोसेस को फॉलो करते हुए दोस्तों आप लोग भी क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने रेडमी मोबाइल के लॉक स्क्रीन से एड्स हटा सकते हैं। उम्मीद करते वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। एक लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब भी ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा।